reflection will be given for the case study. Okay. The case study is highly turnover, reduce the turnover. This is the concept. We have to give a solution. Okay. So discuss about the topic. Discuss about the case study. Okay. The company is facing struggles regarding the employee turnover. So when the employee turnover increases, the company have to make a recruitment process. So the recruitment process is not easy task. We have many tasks occur while recruiting the people. So we have to give a training to the new people. So this is the case of the company. So in this situation, the company's problem statement is high employee turnover increases the reduces the production and also the performance. So this is the statement. So what is the solution we are going to solve?
Causes maybe it is because the employee is not satisfied with salary amount, or it maybe is not satisfied with timing, or it even can be like having more pressure or is expecting something else. So this may be a reason because of his leaving the work.
Okay, it is one of the root cause of the problem. Okay, very good. Then poor management. This is one of the importance of root cause of people, employees shifting to another company. Okay. The next is dissatisfaction. This dissatisfaction leads to what?
Non-dissatisfaction. They get salary low.
Salary,
Depression.
pressure, then working condition,
Environment.
working environment, working time, salary. Okay,
They
good.
want to get entertainment.
Okay. So here the employee is expected to refresh themselves. Okay, so when we read they have you already studied the Hawthorne experiment. So the Hawthorne experiment will be giving a freedom to employees. There is a gap, interval gap. Okay, without rest, how much they are working, with interval, how much they are working. So this is coming under the Hawthorne experiment. Okay, so dissatisfaction is this one. Okay, very good.
We have to know what the dissatisfaction is. Salary. We have to improve that. We have to give increments, promotion.
Okay, here the management have to take care of the employees. Why? The reason is
They are going.
Okay, so the reason behind how they are going to solve. Okay, so here have to increase the salary and also incentives and also promotions. Very good. Recognition. Then award system. Very good. Right?
We have to give a particular time to work.
Very good. Working time period. We have relaxation. Okay.
Attraction to the work, they need to give like some competitions or any good opportunities.
Competitive, very good. The task, then the person have to assign the task, at the time they have to successfully complete. Very good.
And they want to cheer up always at the start to
Yeah, very good. Smile. Okay, they have to refresh. Motivation. Okay, motivation leads to financial motivation, non-financial motivation. So when the companies have to concentrate on the employees, their financial motivation means, so everyone is expected to earn a money. The money is the main thing for everyone. Here financial motivation given by the organization means every employee is satisfied. And also non-financial motivation also not be available. So here also promotion, transfer, recognition, everything coming under this one. Okay, good then. Yes. Very good. Not only given the on-the-job training, we can focus on the outside the organization. That will be, take example for as students, they are going for outbound training. They are refreshing your mind, it is coming under this one. Okay, good, right? Yes, okay then. So these things coming under the process. So when the company have to focus all the things means the company reducing the turnover and also increasing the performance of the employees. Okay. The customer satisfaction will be increased. Thus, every employee should understand the